On this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your studio photos like a pro in Lightroom Mobile. Here are examples of photo of before and after I've applied these effects. So let's start editing. First, go into light. Exposure, take it to 0.35. Contrast to +20. Highlight to -100. Shadow to 56. Whites to -100. And black to -10. Next, click on curves and then adjust it to this. After that, click done. Then next, click color. Temperature to 2. Tint to -26. Vibrance to 40. Saturation to -20. After that, click on mix. Under red, saturation to 24. And orange, saturation to 10. Then click on yellow. Hue, take it to -100. Saturation to 100. Luminous to 28. Then next, click on green. Saturation, take it to 100. After that, click on ochre. Saturation, take it to 72. After that, click on blue. Saturation, take it to -100. Then click on purple, saturation, take it to -100. Click on pochetta, saturation, take it to -100. Then click done. After that, click on gradient. Under gradient, the first circle represents shadow. Click on the dropper to reveal manual adjustment and hue, take it to 200. Saturation, take it to 6. And luminous, take it to -72. When you're done, click on the second circle, which represents midtone, and hue, take it to 274. And luminous, take it to 44. When you are done, click on the third circle, which represents highlight, and hue, take it to 50. Saturation, take it to 6. When you are done, click on the fourth circle, which represents the global, and at hue, take it to 74. Luminous, take it to 30. When you're done, click done and let's see before and after of our picture. After that, let's add some effect into this picture. Click effects and then under effect texture, take it to -6. Clarity, take it to 4. Behaz, take it to -2. Vignette, take it to -10. After that, click on details. Sharpness, take it to 46. Details and the sharpness, take it to 30. Noise reduction, take it to 38. Details and the noise reduction, take it to 42. If you enjoy more content about photo editing, videography and cinematography, I have a ton of videos about that topic on my YouTube channel. Subscribe into my YouTube channel for more content just like this one. Leave it down below on the next video that you want me to create. Give this video a thumbs up and let's continue creating as I simplify your creation. My name is Brisley.